Yes. This video is a sign that you are about to become rich. And no, this is not a woo-woo bullshit video to tell you how good you are to just get some views, right? I just want to tell you that there's one thing that guarantees that because of the reason that you're watching this video, you are going to become rich. And I will tell you what it is right now. So a couple of years ago, I was making $4 a month online, right? And I was dreaming about becoming rich and making $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $50,000 a month or more. And the one thing that I was doing every single day was watching YouTube videos. And specifically watching YouTube videos from people that are ahead of me in any aspect of life, in business, in entrepreneurship, personal development, etc. And I was just watching and watching and watching it over and over and over again. And I remember even when I started, I used to sleep when I was listening to audiobooks and to books of entrepreneurs, of like people like Brian Tracy, Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich, and all that stuff. And the reason that it worked for me and I became successful, and by successful I mean I made about $700,000 online in a few years, which isn't life changing that much probably, but for a lot of you maybe it will sound great. And in the last 30 days we made over $50,000. I was able to buy this apartment in the mountains, help my parents financially, travel to world, to Dubai, to USA, buy anything that I wanted, help a lot of people that were in need, and basically positively impact myself and people around me. And the number one thing that helped me is being on the right track. And the reason that you're watching this video, what is the algorithm? The algorithm is just a tool that just knows what people are interested in, right? And there is a reason that you got shown this video. The algorithm is smart. It knows what videos you have watched before, everything you are interested in, right? I'm sure your friends or your family members aren't being recommended these videos. And the reason that you are watching this right now, is the proof that you are going to make it. It's not just because it's just magical and there's not going to be challenges or whatever. No, there are going to be challenges, it's going to be hard, it's going to take time. But the fact that you are here, that you are still watching this video, shows that you're on the right track. And people don't get this. They think, oh, they need to be better than this person and that person, and that person is winning online, they're probably a scammer, and you don't have the skills and how it's gonna work, and you don't know exactly. None of that matters. You shouldn't compare yourself to others. You shouldn't know who is winning sooner or later, how exactly you are gonna become rich, whatever it means to you, making $1 million, $100,000, $10,000 a month, becoming a billionaire, whatever it means that you want to change your life and the life of your loved ones. Whatever that means to you, just the fact that you're on the right track is already enough. You don't have to achieve a certain goal by the end of this year. Oh, by the end of December, I want to make 10K a month, I want to make 100K a month. That doesn't matter. What matters is that you're on the right track. And you are listening and observing thoughts from other people that are already on that track, that want to become successful, that want to achieve greatness, right, as it says here, and you are on that track. So the only thing in this world that you need to do is to just keep being on that track. And if you just keep being on the track, I promise you, you will be successful. Because if you are watching this video, as you can see, I'm a regular guy from Armenia, right? Very bad background. It looks like a scammer, right? This is for my faceless YouTube channel. So a lot of people have been asking. And I still made it, right? Or at least I achieved my goals. Because my goal in the beginning was to make my first $1,000 a month, right? And there were days where we made $30,000 in a day, right? So like I achieved hundreds or 1,000 times more than I ever thought possible, just because I stayed on the track. I stayed and kept watching these videos and kept being on the right track that will lead me to success. If you do this, and if you add a little bit action to this every single day, I promise one day you will become rich. And this video, the fact that you are watching this, it's a proof of that. That you are not here just randomly, why you are not watching a Minecraft video right now, or a gaming video, you are watching this. This is a sign that if you keep going, and if you have the faith and believe that you are going to get there, I promise you will. So comment below right now, what is your goal for the future, how much money you want to make, what do you want to accomplish, and in 1 year, save this video, put a alarm or reminder, in 1 year, come back and watch this video, I promise your life is gonna be completely changed financially. So keep being on the right track, keep believing in yourself, and the only thing you need to do is to not stop. If you keep going, keep watching these videos, and take action. Take action, take massive action. I promise you are going to be successful, because you are watching this video for a reason, and I promise you, if you keep going a little bit, keep pushing a little bit more, your success is waiting for you, and you are about to win so big that you cannot even imagine.